Okay, so this is kind of an unconventional intro to my videos, so I'm just gonna get right to the point. And you're hearing this from me first. Instead of having to pay $250, you can now buy official GS1 barcodes directly from the GS1 website for $30 now. Welcome to 2-Minute Tuesdays, where I cover a new topic every week in just 2 minutes. These are typically topics that don't justify a full-length video of their own, so I'll cover them quickly here. All right? My name is Crescent, and welcome to another 2-Minute Tuesday. So I know you're probably already on tenterhooks. Today's topic is, where do you buy GS1 barcodes for your Amazon product listing? Ready? Let's go. As you probably already know, Amazon requires you to purchase a UPC barcode in order to create a product listing. Amazon's barcode policy states that you need to buy your barcodes directly from GS1. Otherwise, if you don't, you risk having your listing or seller account terminated. But the problem is that official GS1 barcodes cost $250 for 10 barcodes, and there's a $50 annual fee. Well, when we're all starting out, we don't need 10 barcodes, and most of us don't want to spend $250. So an alternative has always been to buy barcodes from established third-party resellers like Nationwide Barcodes or Barcodes Mania, where the barcodes only cost around $10 each. But I've discovered a recent change on the GS1 website. And again, you're hearing this from me first. Instead of having to pay $250, you can now buy official GS1 barcodes directly from the GS1 website now for $30. And there's no annual fee. So it's not even worth it now to buy third-party barcodes or a GTIN exemption. And like I said, you heard this from me first, so leave a comment below if this blows your mind and you're gonna jump on this deal right now, and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm so this video gets pushed out to other people and we can all share in the knowledge. Now, one thing before I go, I know a lot of people get confused on how many barcodes you actually need to buy, so I'll go over that real quick. Every unique product or variation will need its own barcode. So if you're only selling one product, it doesn't matter if it's a single item or if it's a bundle, that single product or unit only needs one barcode. So for example, if you're selling a can of Coke, that single can of Coke will need its own barcode. Every single can that you sell will use that same barcode. And if you decide to sell a 6-pack of Coke, then you'll need a second barcode for that 6-pack, and all those 6-packs will have the same second barcode on it. If you then decide to sell a can of Pepsi, then you'll need a third barcode, and every single can of Pepsi will have the same third barcode on it. And if you run out of inventory and you have to reorder, just use the same barcodes that were on them originally. Make sense? Now, the only change I would recommend you do is when you buy your UPC barcode and you enter it into your new product listing, you can forget about that barcode. You'll never need that UPC barcode again. If you're doing FBA, Amazon will generate what's called the FNSKU barcode for you, and what I recommend doing is putting this FNSKU barcode on all of your units, not the UPC. This will help prevent any potential issues with hijackers and co-mingling. Now, if you're still confused, I do have a dedicated video that goes into detail on this, and I'll leave a link to it in the video description below. All right, if you found value in this video, consider subscribing, and remember to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really does help me out, and I sincerely appreciate it. And if you have any questions, ideas, or suggestions for a future 2-Minute Tuesday video, let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it or my longer form content, there's one over here that YouTube thinks you might like. All right, thanks for watching.